here with you. See your face in the crowd, but you don't seem so far away. Nothing between us is empty space, empty space. Even when the music is loud, I'd rather be.
Jonny began his hard enduro racing career in 2010 following a successful career in trials. As a then 19-year-old, he worked his way up the enduro ranks before signing his first official agreement with KTM in 2011. Soon after, Walker graduated into the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team in 2012. Walker won the Erzberg Rodeo Red Bull Hare Scramble title that year, which he went on to successfully defend in 2013. In 2015, Jonny took his riding to the next level, cementing his place as one of Extreme Enduro's best following winning riders at the Tough One, Red Bull Romaniacs, Red Bull Hare Scramble, Hell's Gate and Red Bull Megawatt. Despite a number of injuries, which resulted in time off a bike during the following few years, the likeable Brit went on to claim podium finishes in further Extreme Enduros and West Championship events. KTM would like to thank Jonny Walker for his achievements with the brand over the past 8 seasons as his contract concludes with the Austrian manufacturer. KTM confirms the departure of Jonny Walker from the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team by mutual agreement. Due to restructuring within the team, linked to changes that have been made to the Enduro program over the past few seasons, KTM has been unable to retain Jonny's services for 2021 year. KTM wishes Jonny all the best for his future.
Hey everyone, this is just a message to confirm that I will no longer be riding KTM. I appreciate all the support I've had over the last 10 years from them, and it's helped me achieve what I've wanted to do. And also thank you everyone for messaging me. You know, it's been really nice. I didn't expect that, and I look forward to 2021.
Jonny said, "Hopefully we can be back for 2021. We'll get some stuff sorted out because I'm not finished. I still hungry to win more races. I hope that Super Enduro and the extreme races go ahead, and who knows, maybe some races in America." Finally, I would like to thank KTM and Ferrioli for all the help and my sponsors Red Bull and Pod and Lead who will continue to help me in 2021. I'm just keeping riding to make sure I'm ready for next year. I've been stressing and the last 2 weeks have been bad. I've got nothing lined up but something will come. When I found out they weren't going to re-sign me, I was a bit shocked, but I appreciate the time I've spent with the team so I can't complain. All good things must come to an end, and it is what it is. I'll be doing the Super Enduro Championship, which hopefully is going to take place in March with all the rounds in Poland, and then the West Championship, Romaniacs, Megawatt, Erzberg, all the big races. I'll be there whatever. I'll just take myself and my own bike if I have to. If I need to, I'll just go and buy a bike. I'll be picking something else that I can win on. There are some brands that I've had my eye on. It'll be a 2-stroke, and I'm pretty sure I can get on any other bike and run top 3 at the races.
Cooking egg on there, mate.
What do you think of that, Frankles?
Jonny is not left alone. As a sponsor, he will still have a Red Bull, and of course Elite that help him a lot in the continuation of his career. For viewers of this video, I have one interesting question. Can you write in the comments for who Jonny will race for in the future? Many talk about gas team, but what do you think? Are Sherco and Beta options maybe? Please comment. If you want to support him in all this, visit his online shop and buy yourself a t-shirt or some other item. The page is www.walker22.com. Thank you for all the results in Enduro. I believe that many of us started doing this sport because you. I am one of those, thank you.